Once you have Zoom set up, you'll want to test it. You can go to zoom.us/test. You can see the URL right up here. I'm going to go ahead and join this meeting, and once I joined, I'm going to try to talk fast because it only lasts about 5 minutes. So I'll try to get into most of the major things you should be aware of once we're in the meeting. So I'm going to click on join. It's going to ask if I want to join with video, and I'm going to say yes. And now you can see that I'm here. It's testing my speakers. Do I hear a ringtone? Yes, I hear it. So I'm going to click yes. And then do I hear my voice? And I'm going to click yes also. So that's testing your speakers and your microphone. If they're not working, you'll need to adjust those. So I'm going to join with computer audio and click yes. And now I'm into the Zoom conference. If you're having problems with your audio, come over here, and right next to where it says mute is a little up button. You can adjust if you have multiple speakers or something what they are. You can test again. You can switch to phone audio, and you might need to do that if you're having bandwidth issues. So keep the invite handy because it has the numbers to call in. When doing a Zoom, I also like to use the headset. It just makes things a little clearer, but if you don't have one, don't worry about it. The microphone and speakers on your computer will probably be fine. When you're in the conference, if you need to mute yourself, which you should do, if you're not speaking, click the mute button and then unmute yourself when you're ready to speak again. Same thing with video. You can turn that off if, for example, your professor says we're going to take a 5-minute break and you want to, go do something. You can turn your video off. In here, you can also change your video settings. So take a look at that. When you're in the conference, there's some other things that you'll see maybe set up over on the right. For example, the list of participants, and there's a chat box. So if these are not showing for you, you might want to go ahead and pull those up. So this is participants up here, and then the chat box is under more and chat. So if you're not seeing them, go ahead and pull those up. So this is just to test, make sure it's all working. You can zoom, everything's working correctly, and then once you have everything working correctly, hopefully when you join your Zoom conference, it'll all work out perfectly.